Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear your cache on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search icon, the little magnifying glass, type in disk cleanup. Best match should come back with disk cleanup. Go ahead and open that up. You want to go ahead and make sure DirectX shade cache is checkmarked, as well as temporary files and program files in here too. And then just go ahead and make sure that they're selected, and then select cleanup system files. And you're going to go ahead and select OK. Select delete files. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And then you should go ahead as well and go back to the search icon, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And you want to go type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now that you've done that, you should be able to close out of here, restart your computer, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.